When I first started resawing, I used a tall fence like this. But the problem is you have no adjustability. When the blade starts to wander, there's nothing you can do. So I put on my tried and true resawing jig. It's a very simple jig that works and it gives you great adjustability. When I resaw, the first thing I do is joint one edge to get it square. Then I like to mark using a marking gauge the center line or whatever dimension I need. Then sometimes I'll highlight it with a pencil just for better visibility. This is the jig I like to use. It has worked well for over 30 years and it's adjustable and it lets me make compensation moves during the cut to keep everything on center. First thing you have to do is get it positioned properly. So I'll start and make about a 1-inch cut here so that you can see the effect. You need to position the blade to the fence as one dimension, but the forward and backward dimension gives you varied adjustability. If it's too far back, you wind up bending the blade. If it's too far forward, you wind up bending the blade again. So you got to get it to the right place where you can make small increments to keep the blade on track and on center. Here I'm cutting at real live speed, and I'm taking my time because I want to show off and do a good job cutting and keeping it on track. A lot of times I just go too fast, but this jig allows me to compensate, move it back and forth on the tail end. A big point is when you get to the end, you need to slow down because it'll jump on you on the end. And make sure your fingers are always out of the way. That would not be good. But here you can see I get a beautifully smooth cut, and it's adjustable. Here's another cut on an 11-inch wide board, and you can see I'm not taking my time. I'm going faster, but I still get a good cut. This is an awesome jig to use. All you have to do now is run it through the planer or hand plane it a couple times and get it smooth, and you've got usable lumber of varying thicknesses for all your assorted projects. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I appreciate you watching the Johnsonville Woodworker.